In this video, we'll show you how to install and assemble the RYOBI LINK Wall Storage System to a standard internal plasterboard wall. A standard plasterboard wall consists of vertical timbers, known as studs, which are centrally spaced apart 450mm by noggins. Plasterboard sheets are then fixed to the frame. Link rails are then secured to the wall with a combination of screws directly into one or two studs and wall anchors into the plasterboard. It's important that roughly the centre of each rail is fixed to at least one stud for maximum holding strength when two studs can't be found. One stud is the minimum requirement. It's also important to consider that, regardless of construction type, that the wall may contain electrical wiring, utility cables and plumbing pipes, as well as other obstructions. If unsure, seek the advice of a qualified tradesperson. To install link rails to the wall, you'll need these tools. Use the stud finder to locate the studs and mark their position with the pencil. Position your level where the top of your first rail will be and draw a line across each of the two stud marks. While holding the rail centrally across the two studs, mark their positions on the top and bottom installation channels and through the two holes at each end of the rail. Remove the rail and drill 9mm holes through the left and right end marks. These holes will be for the supplied plasterboard wall anchors. To install each of the 4 wall anchors, use your fingers to firmly squeeze the wings inwards. Then press the anchor into the pilot hole and tap the head of the anchor lightly with a hammer until it's flush with the wall. Reposition the rail back on the wall and secure each end firmly into the wall anchors using the supplied screws. Next, at your stud markings, drill 3mm pilot holes through the middle of the top and bottom installation channels and directly into the studs. Then secure with 4 of the screws provided. Repeat the process for each additional wall rail using the tabs to align additional rails left, right, above and below. Customize your wall with hooks, bins and toolboxes. To learn more how-to tips and tricks, go to ryobi.com.au or check out our YouTube channel. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of our latest releases.
RYOBI, a cut above.